Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So I am going for an interview. Don't think that I'm jobless. I'm not jobless. Okay guys, I'm going for a new it's even funny to me. I'm going for an interview, and this is a job, like a mini job. When I mean a mini job, is a tax-free job. You all know that I have just reduced my job, okay, the hours that I work, but there's something I want to buy. I want to buy a juicer, and this juicer costs 650 euros. I've been dreaming of getting this juicer since three months, but I have not just had that strength to go and ask my husband for the money. I don't want to even, I work, okay, I don't want to, there are so many expenses, okay, there are so many projects, so many things that we are doing, and I don't want to ask for 600 euros, 650 euros just to buy a juicer. I love kitchen gadgets. I love to buy home appliances. I love toys. I love things like cameras, lenses. I love to spend money on things like this, and they are very, very expensive. And sometimes when I want to do it, if I think about the cost, so I have decided to get a little job to buy the juicer. Come with me. Guys, I am through with the interview, and it went very, very well. Let me tell you guys, I told them about what I learned in Germany, the kind of Ausbildung that I did here in Germany, and you know what happened? They said last week they just looked for a new person who did the same Ausbildung that I did, and they just found one. And they're looking for a place where I can also get a job as a choreographer. Okay, that aside, they are very super net, just 10 people's office, and I like the place. Is clean, super clean. It's not come and break your back and stuff like that. It's a cleaning job, okay, but they also said that they want to offer 13.50 euro per hour. Immediately they said it, I said it, so both of us just busted that laugh. It's just like, if I have to work here, I can actually come here to work on foot. So I can just walk, okay, to this place. I don't need a car to drive to this place, especially in summer. So I like the place. I'm wishing that I'll get the job. I will just send, they requested also for my, what is it called? Lebenslauf? Curriculum. Is it curriculum that it is called in English? So that is what they need. They gave me an email, so I'll forward it to them. And then they said that before the end of this week, they are going to get back to me. I really love this place. I hope that I get this job. And I also told them that the 13.50 euro is a bit small. It's small. I'm not going to work that way. I also thought that I wasn't going to work for that amount, so I requested for 15 euro. Yeah, 15 euro is okay for a start, because I'm not going to be driving to this place. Even if I'm going to drive, it's just like 2 minutes drive from where I live to this place, which I can also use like to work. And because I also wanted to work in this team, it's a very nice, fine place. Yeah, it's a place where I can also work. Like, if they have a free place, like they're looking for people, I can also apply as a choreographer. It's super easy. Anyway, guys, let's go and pick up. Dobodobu went to see the doctor because he's running some tests. So, guys, I am hoping that after working for 2 months, at least in this place, that I'll be able to buy my juicer. This juicer is very, very important to me. I know that a lot of people will be saying, why will you buy a juicer of 600 euros? I have thought about it. I know how much million that is in Nigeria currency, especially with this new present exchange rate, but I really need it. I really need it. So guys, when they finally call me to give me this job, hopefully I'll let you guys know. I wish me well. Bye bye.